7 secrets to being a good-looking older man. Everyone notices. If you're an older man who wants to look and feel your best starting today, you're in the right place. Aging doesn't mean fading into the background. In fact, some men become even more attractive with age, commanding attention in ways they never did when they were younger. These 7 simple yet powerful strategies will help you change how people see you, without the need for plastic surgery, extreme workouts, or dressing like a teenager. Let's dive in. 1. Confidence is your best accessory. Let's be clear. Nothing is more attractive than a man who knows his worth. Confidence isn't about arrogance. It's about being comfortable in your own skin. It's in the way you walk into a room, maintain eye contact, and speak with assurance. A well-dressed man is impressive, but a man who carries himself with confidence, that's magnetic. People are naturally drawn to those who own their presence, without needing to demand attention. And here's the best part. Confidence only deepens with age. You've been through enough in life to know exactly who you are, so own it. 2. Keep your style refined. But effortless aging gracefully isn't about desperately clinging to trends that no longer suit you. It's about refining your style into something timeless, effortless, and distinctly you. Think of icons like George Clooney or Idris Elba. They aren't trying to dress like they're 20. They've mastered the art of polished simplicity. A well-fitted blazer, a crisp white shirt, tailored jeans. These pieces highlight you, not distract from you. And grooming is key. A neatly trimmed beard, a classic haircut, and well-maintained skin can make a world of difference. Looking good isn't about perfection, it's about looking like a man who takes care of himself. 3. Take care of your body, but don't obsess over it. Let's be honest. A man who takes care of his body automatically stands out. You don't need to have a bodybuilder physique, but staying active, maintaining good posture, and staying fit makes a powerful statement. Exercise isn't just about aesthetics. It impacts how you feel, move, and carry yourself. Whether it's weightlifting, yoga, or simply walking daily, staying in shape is a sign that you respect yourself. When an older man looks strong and capable, it sets him apart. He's not just existing, he's thriving. 4. Develop a signature scent. Here's an underrated secret. Your scent can leave a lasting impression. A man who smells incredible instantly becomes more attractive. People may not consciously notice it, but they'll definitely feel it. Find a signature cologne that's fresh, masculine, and not overpowering. The right fragrance makes people associate you with sophistication and mystery. And here's the secret. When people remember your scent, they remember you. 5. Keep your mind sharp and your conversation sharper. A good-looking older man isn't just attractive on the outside. He's intriguing. He carries himself with intelligence and wit, and his conversations leave people engaged and wanting more, whether it's art, history, business, or even just a good sense of humor. Being well-informed makes you more magnetic. Nothing is more attractive than a man who can tell a great story, engage in deep conversation, or simply make someone laugh effortlessly. A sharp mind, combined with a cool demeanor, that's an unbeatable combination. 6. Age. With grace, not resistance. You know what's not attractive? A man who fights aging like it's his enemy. Men who try too hard to look young, wearing clothes that don't suit them, or desperately clinging to outdated styles, tend to lose their appeal. Instead, embrace your age while looking your best. Silver hair? Own it. Laugh lines? They're signs of a life well lived. The key is to enhance what you already have, not try to erase it. A man who ages with grace, confidence, and self-care looks distinguished, not old. He stands out because he radiates self-acceptance, something far more appealing than trying to fight time. 7. Master the art of being intriguing. And here's the final secret. People are drawn to mystery. A man who doesn't overshare, who carries himself with quiet confidence, and who has layers to his personality. That's the guy everyone notices. It's not about playing games. It's about having a life so full and self-sufficient that others want to be a part of it. The way you walk, the way you speak, even the way you pause before answering a question, all of this adds to your presence. Women especially notice men who aren't always available, those who carry themselves like they have a rich, interesting life beyond what's right in front of them. Conclusion. Remember, looking good isn't about perfection. It's about owning who you are, embracing where you are in life, and letting that confidence and wisdom shine through. By following these 7 simple strategies, you'll not only look better, but feel better too. Embrace these changes and watch how the world begins to see you differently.